DXO Labs is currently running a massive sale for Black Friday. Enjoy it. Go down in the description below and then click on the link. Make sure you click the link to enjoy your discount. What is a channel mixer in DXO PHOTOLAB 8? So channel mixer, if you turn this on, then you have a bunch of slider, red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta. Now in this particular image, you have more or less three dominating color. The first one is blue, second one is green, and third one is also kind of in the green, but let's say yellow. Now what happens if you, just for the sake of example, turn the blue slider all the way to the left? You have this half black and white image. So you have half of your image got black and white, kind of gray scale, desaturated to be precise, and the rest of the image remain exactly the same. Because what you did, you took off all the color, desaturated the blue slider. Now cyan also kind of get into the same zone, so you can also use it too to see the impact, but I don't personally think so. If you now bring it back and then go slowly more and more to the other side, what happens is that it still get desaturated, but bit more on the brighter section. Now, what is the difference? In the world of black and white photography, if you kind of, let's say, using the filters, in this case, if you're using the red filter, the sky would have been like that. And in the black and white photography, if you have a blue filter on your lens, then the image would be this. DXO is running a massive deal. Make sure you go down in the description below and then click on the link to enjoy your Black Friday deal right now. So this is the channel mixer. Then you could play with the red and blue, but unfortunately you don't have any, so it doesn't work. You do probably have this particular image that you could desaturate. Oh yeah, there you go. It does work, but it's not completely red. It's kind of like an orange yellowish. Now let's do the same thing with the green section. So if I take off green completely, you see that that's why I said initially that there is some good luck. Most likely you have this green and yellow. Let's check this one out. If I go move closer, so some of the tree getting changing the color, some not. So if I do same thing with the yellow, this is where you have to, your eye get confused. For example, just because it look like yellow, but it's not necessarily yellow. Sometimes the software detect it as green or sometimes as yellow, so you have to try with both. So this is what the channel mixer does in general. Either it both direction, it kind of desaturate the color, but desaturated toward dark section, desaturate toward the brighter. I hope this particular explanation makes sense, but if you don't understand, you can always click here. Channel mixer for black and white lets you fine-tune your black and white conversion by increasing or decreasing the brightness of the specific color area. DXO PHOTOLAB Elite, Film Pack 3, Expert or higher. Let's say now, for the sake of even more broader details, let's say you desaturated completely this image globally. Now you can fine-tune it. Again, I'm going to show you the example with the blue. Let's say they can make the sky much darker or much brighter. Same goes for the yellow. You can make the foliage much brighter or much darker. Let's try again. Same with the green slider. So it helps you enormously when you especially either doing some creative photo editing or black and white photography. I hope you like this explanation. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.